清真寺被噴呢一幕，令唔少人留意回教呢個宗教。其實回教食物有自己特別要求，一於由回教徒講下。
We are 13 years here. As we are Turkish, so we serve in halal food. It is like its connection to religion. Like we cut the cow, and then of course first we pray. Then like after cut, all the blood is come out. So that means the meat has bloodless. So it is the main reason. And then so we cannot eat another's which is non-Muslim. Cut the cow. Those meat we cannot eat. And also we don't eat the pork. Actually we are 50-60% is the local clients, and then rest of them is the foreigners and Muslim mix like that. We are most popular is the lamb doner, and then also the lamb shish on the skewer.
老闆講嘅轉轉土耳其烤肉應該好多人都會見過，其實都係羊肉或者牛肉，做法就係將肉片疊起，再慢慢烤熟。柯打時先會用刀垂直割落嚟，可以用嚟夾包做烤肉卷或者配飯都得。回教由於每年都要守齋，有1個月都只能每日食一餐，通常就會食甜嘢，可以增加體力。
We cook in the oven, and then inside the cheese is the milk. Then after we put some syrup, and then also on top is the pichasco powder. And then we serve it like that. Also we serve with ice cream. It's also quite good.
由於回教亦唔飲酒，飯後就會嘆翻杯紅茶傾下偈咁。
屍殺列車男星金義聖走入抗爭現場，與香港人並肩同行，追蹤事實真相。香港中文字幕版探查企劃 Straight 香港的憤怒金義聖，果然台獨家首播。